Going down the steep grade and getting close to Salinas. Arrived at Man's Packing. This is how it looks. I'm near the door 13. If anyone in the future needs it, go straight to that door, because on the other side, down there and in a street, they wrote that they have check-in office, and there's a small building that you can't check in because no one's in there. So yeah, go to door 13. They have pretty much space to maneuver. I haven't seen the restroom, but there is outside restroom, so portable potty, that's good. No one's loading. My appointment was at 4 p.m. Now it's 10 minutes 5 p.m. Yeah. Actually got loaded pretty fast, and then so arrived at Driscoll this beautiful evening. It's 7:40 p.m. now. There you check in. There's a guy inspecting the trailers. You must write your trailer ID, trailer number, driver's license number, all that kind of stuff. Bring to the security right there. Then they give you permission to enter this area. You park like me here and wait for the call. So my appointment time is 11:59 p.m. So now it's 7:40. We'll see how long I should wait. But I like that it's a big area. Easy to park, easy to maneuver. Yeah, beautiful fields, by the way. So they're loading me, and it shouldn't take that long. I will have enough driving time to get out from California. It's good to drive at night in here because, yeah, no traffic. So I'll do that. Not much to say. A huge bridge. And yeah. And then I actually regretted it, because the road had night constructions and I wanted to sleep so badly. And then long-awaited morning has come. Got lucky yesterday with Briscollis. They loaded me fast, and now I am on the road going uphill. You can see the truck moving slowly. I'm a little bit faster. Today I should reach Wyoming, back to Wyoming. So a lot of road to cover. Let's do it. So arrived at Donner's Summit area. Last time I've been there, so I promised to climb that mountain. But that's a sign. That's my truck, other truckers, and I'll go there to find out what's cooking here. Never been here before. Let's go on the trail. Well, after all, cities, towns, all this traffic, what a place to rest. And it's so fresh air here now. Jesus, loving it. It's pretty spooky because I'm alone. There should be bears, snakes, other animals, but screw that. I'll risk it and I'll just walk. Another sign. Right. I'll read that later with you guys. It's not a long trail. I want to go a little bit up. I hear the fall. Alright, it's a little bit swampy here. Already climbed this far, going there. Came across this beautiful, going up. Alright, so Here it's almost the highest point. There's rest area. I'll try to climb that one. Da-da-da-dum. I don't know if you can die here, but break a lot of bones, yeah. I'll try to go there. This is incredible. Damn, was hard climbing those rocks, but I can see rest area from here. So this is even higher point. And next time I want to go there. Right, need a day off almost. Now I have to go around somehow. Look at these bushes. There is one way here. Looks a little bit scary, but I'll try that maybe. So sitting at the highest point, I made it. Marvelous. Only higher could be to be a tree. Maybe some higher trees there, but I don't see no rocks there. Some ponds. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Here is I will end my video. And next week I don't know where will I go. So let's enjoy a view for some seconds.